Good evening, everybody. I'm Shriman Taneti from the EC department, currently in my final year, and I am the community lead at GDSE CBR. So, this meeting is about WOW, or the World of Women community that we have at GDSE. Last year, the GDSE WOW community was just a passive group that was used to send messages. But this year, we have revamped the group, and it gives me immense pleasure to tell you that this year we are going to have active participation from WOW in research projects, development, management, and much more. Now, without further ado, I request the WOW core team members to take over the session. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Shriman. So, hello everyone. Good to see you all on this baby platform today. So, hope you all had a great evening yesterday with your family. And without any delay, let's get started. So, I'm Vaishnavi. I'm Vaishnavi Tamali, presently in final year, pursuing my triple degree. So, I'm a AI and AI co-team member and WAV co-team member. So, Laurie, can you start screen sharing?
Yeah, sure.
So, hello everyone. We are Team WAF, World of Women, presented by GDSC CBI. Our motive is there is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. So, here is our WAF team. Devika Lahari is our woman empowerment lead, and myself, Vaishnavi, AI co-team member and WAF co-team member. Vedanvita, strategies and outreach lead. Renu, content writing lead. Dakshani, corporate outreach lead, and Likita, corporate core team member of Android, and also WAF team. So, like most of us just have so many doubts like what is WAV, why is WAV, what is this actually doing in our college, what is this sudden name, like what is this group, what are we doing, and all. So, what then here are some slides to just let you understand deeply what is WAV. So, what WAV does in our college. So, WAP hopes to set the seal on the success of women because we believe the presence and participation of every girl is crucial for the success of WAP. So, WAP is a safe place to rely upon since this provides a strong support academically. So, WAP is exclusively for women. So, here we provide an environment where you can participate or give tech talks, any kind of technical help or academic help is provided by us. Larry, next. So we provide a safe and non-judgmental space. By providing internal complaining committee, we evaluate your technical and academic grievances and suggest measures and actions for achieving a smooth path. We promote and nourish a thriving culture for our stakeholders. I mean, any female student who want to shine in technical and to just come over this technical and academic grievances, we are here supporting you. By introducing the women to different tech programs, we help women realize their full potential and since we stress upon the development of women in every sphere. So it's just not only in HR fields and all. We mostly see women in HR fields or kind of thing. So this swap exclusively want women to be in the tech field. I mean, doing the technical work, doing the front end and the back end work. So we gain insights into the issues concerned with the academic insecurities faced by the girl students. We provide a place to feel free, raise your voice, and share your problems. And also, in addition to that, we have so many women technical leads all around the world. So here we are providing some examples. Prominent women in tech field. So here is Safa Katz, a CEO of Oracle. So Katz was a banker at Donaldson, and then she managed to be a CEO of Oracle. Next. And then here we have a woman leading YouTube. I mean CEO of YouTube. And here we have CEO of AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Here we have chairperson of HCL, Roshni Nadar. So here we have some successful women stories. So every woman's success should be an inspiration to another. We are the strongest when we cheer on each other. So here you just need to understand what kind of safe environment we are providing and just understand and realize the importance we are giving for the women in the tech field. So assuming that everyone will take the advantage of this WAV group and prove yourselves. Let us prove our word. And from here, I'll hand over the session to Larry. Over to you, Larry.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Good evening, everyone. I'm Lahari, the Women Empowerment Lead in the GDXC CVR. Now we've looked at the eminent women who've broken glass ceilings, have pushed the frontiers of women's leadership, and paved the path for other women and girls to follow in their footsteps and become the future leaders. Also, now let us look at how WOW works in our college. We conduct workshops or seminars with renowned speakers. We ensure that the members are trained in both skill and capacity in striving for an equal, safe, and harmonious environment. We also conduct a few programs that help women to realize their unexplored skills. Apart from the tech, in the non-tech, the WOW also encourages female students to be self-reliant and economically independent. We instill positive self-esteem and confidence in the female students. By creating awareness about the need of women in tech, we help you get out of your comfort zone and work in the tech fields. Here comes the most important part. How can you make the best use of WOW? I request all of you to please stay active in all the WOW groups. Since we cannot meet every person directly and share the information, that is the only means through which we can stay in touch with you. So make sure you do not miss out on the info that is being posted in the GDSC WOW groups. In case of any queries, you can always reach out to any member in the WOW group without hesitation. You can always text us or call us. All of us will always be ready to help you regarding anything, any field, or any info that is regarding the programs being conducted. And I also request all of you to please stay motivated and encourage all your female classmates also to take part in the seminars and gain experience. Let us together all its dimensions. Our team is always committed to help you through this WOW journey. And always remember, there is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. Always stay motivated. These are the links for the WOW groups, which will be posted in the DSC groups as well. You can always share it to your friends just in case you've not joined. That's it from our end. Thank you so much for joining the session. Just in case you have any queries, you can always text or post a message. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Larry. So here we are open for the Q&A session. Please screen share it. Okay. So guys, here we are open for the Q&A session. If you have any kind of doubts or queries or how to register something or any kind of doubts, you can please post it on here. We have the chat section, right? We have the Q&A section. So please, you can post it over there. Any kind of doubts. And also, we are again and again telling you this is a very safe environment where you can tell anything, share whatever ideas you have or whatever kind of, anything, any new suggestion or anything. If you want to do some, try some technical things or work on some projects or any kind of thing, we are always ready to help you. Any kind of situations, any time, you can just put a message in the WAV group or you can directly DM any of the admins of the group. Okay. I hope we are clear. Any kind of Q&A, I mean any kind of questions, please do DM or please do post here.
Renu, could you share your views on this?
Good evening, everyone. I am Renu. I am one of the core team members of WoW, and to be honest, it is great being working with these amazing girls. And the reason why we have WoW, we have reason why we want to talk about it so much, and we want to inform you about this is because each and every girl that is working with me in the team is amazing. They're hardworking, they're dedicated. The amount of enthusiasm they have each time they themselves come forward to do things, they are out there to grab the opportunity. And I am sure that there are a lot other girls like that, and they just, there's a lot of self doubt created. They think they cannot, they sometimes they don't have the resources to it. Especially technical ones, girls usually have this mindset that they cannot be in the technical area, that they're not meant for it. But there are people in our own WoW right now that you can see, Vaishnavi is an AI core member. So like this, all of you can do just as great as guys do in technical. You can actually do more, because scientifically, biologically, women have more capability to handle things than men do. So I want all of you to take participation in every event, and any kind of resources you need, any kind, no matter what it is, just come to us. We will, if we have the resources, we will provide. If we don't, we will find out and let you know where you can go. And we really want to encourage girls, because of course all of us have also seen trouble. We know we are one of you, and we are not some magical girls, all of. And even the women you saw, the examples, the CEO of YouTube, CEO of HCL, they were all just common girls, and all of them are doing amazing in technical field. They are becoming such great examples, and you can also be one of those in near future. You just have to reach out when you need help. So that's all I wanted to say, and I am really grateful to all the girls that have joined, and to Vaishnavi, to Lahari, who have put their ideas so greatly, so clearly. And I hope even if you're able to encourage 10 girls out there to do what they want to reach out to us to get all the resources that they want, we would be more than happy. Our goal would be accomplished. So that is all I have to say. Thank you, guys.
So well put. Thank you so much, Renu. Plus one for everything what you said. So, girls, we are again and again telling you we are no more less than boys. We can do really great work in the technical field no matter what. We are always here to support you. Our GDSC Lee Srimanth is so specially concerned about this women participation in tech field. He was like so much into this, and he asked us to conduct this kind of sessions, and he was asking to involve more girl students into this. So girls, just understand and take the opportunity of this. We are always here to help you in any kind of technical projects or any kind of thing, academics, technical projects, or in any kind of AI coding works, anything, any kind of technical fields, we are here to help you. As Renu said, everyone, like which we have seen, CEO of HCL, CEO, chairperson of HCL, CEO of YouTube, everyone were like very normal girls, but they are doing an awesome work. They are doing awesome work in the technical field. Just understand that we are no more less, and we are here supporting each other, providing safe space. Larry, anything to add?
No, nothing. Renu, what you spoke was awesome. Also, I'd like to mention one thing. See, all the motivation that we give and all the programs that we conduct are just 50% of the work. I think the rest should come from within you. You should find your interests in your respective fields. You should try, examining everything from internally. So, but anything you need from our end, we're always there to help you. Do participate in everything that is being conducted, which will help you explore your internal skills and talents. That's it.
Well said, Larry. Really well said.
Come join us and explore the new world of women in our college. So, and also a very special mention, please do acknowledge the messages which we send it in WhatsApp group, which are really important. And soon we are also planning to create a Discord group as well, so that everyone will be together. uh, just a reminder kind of thing, please do acknowledge the messages, please do read the messages which we are sending, which because they have a lot of content, and that will add a lot of value to your resumes if you do such kind of projects, or if you attend that tech talks or participate in any kind of hackathons. We we will forward you whatever we are doing in the GDSC CVR. Okay, we will like exactly forward same things to this WAV team as well. Any kind of help, please reach out. That is all, that is what we want to tell. Hope this had a. I think we are good to go, Larry and Dave.
Yes, we are. Uh,
So, girls, please, if you have any questions, we'll like wait for 4 minutes. Please, if you have any questions, please do post it here. We'll be more happy to answer those questions.
Just in case you feel there's any discomfort in texting in the groups or putting a chat in the sessions, you can always DM us. We're always there to help you.
Yeah, we are like too flexible. You can either post it in a group or you can even DM any of our admins. And also, in addition to this, on this from this 18th to 20th, we have this introduction to web by our GDSC members. So please do register to that event and try to learn something new. They're like wonderful facilitators we are having. We are also providing projects. We are also providing Java, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and also with that, they are also helping us to do two projects. So please take advantage of this, and yeah, please do join that sessions and learn something new.
The web session that is being conducted is not just limited to our college. You can share it to friends outside your college, or it is not limited to students as well. It is open to everybody.
Yeah,
So make sure you share it as much as you can.
please do forward it to your friends, brothers, sisters who are interested for this web session. Please do forward and just let them understand. Okay, I think we are good to go. So yeah, on this note, thank you everyone for joining this wonderful session.
Thank you,
So
girls.
Thanks, everyone. Shall we end the meeting then?
yeah, I'll end the meeting.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Larry and Romy. Thanks, Faria.